Silver.
Let us call on our new silver producer.
So our new silver producers have 10,000 group point value or PV.
Congratulations.
Hello everyone, I'm Amornia Curios Babanto from Bukidnon. I'm a teacher by profession, a farmer, and a businesswoman. So why I built this business? Because I want the freedom of time and money. And ang agri-products mo gid akong gigamit sa akong farm. Ako gid nangunay sa akong farm as a single mother. So ibuhat na ko ni para sa akong anak ug ang akong farm. The best kaayo, 7 wonders of agriculture. That's all. Thank you.
Wow, thank you so much. Congratulations once again for our new silver producers.
Wow, congratulations.